What's up, guys? Check this out. So today I got something. Found something in the vending machine. Let's see what we got. We got a couple quarters. Found these in the vending machine today. We found the steak quarters. It's a Philly. It's a 1999 Georgia steak quarter. Wisdom, justice, moderation. I like the state, the flowers and the flag and the peach. That's cool. It's a Philly. I have another quarter. The Demper. It's 2018 Apostle Island, Wisconsin 2018. Alright. And I got these pennies here. Pocket change. 1993 Denver. This one is a 1980 Philly. This one's 2022 Denver and the 2020 Denver. Sweet, just 4 cents. Pocket change and 50 cents found a vending machine coin spot today. I'll take it. A couple quarters and some pennies. Alright, that's awesome. Hope you guys enjoy.